This is a quick tutorial on MySimpleShow. So you're going to want to log in and create an account. You can use your personal email address. Once you log in, you can change your settings and pick your profile picture, which is just like a cartoon. You can always upload your own picture as well. So we're going to go into My Videos. It's being very slow. And we're going to create a new video. You can see that I have a couple of other videos created here, but we're going to click on Create New. Name the project. We can do Module 11. And you want to write your own script. So this is great because you can just start straight out writing your own script from the beginning. With a blank template is always best. This one says to upgrade. We don't want to upgrade because that's professional, so we want to go in there. Maybe educational would be a better choice. And we're going to type in our script, starting with the title. I always stick with the monarch butterflies. The storyline goes here, so you can just type about whatever you want to share about your topic. You can have up to 1,828 characters in this section. And then the end screen is your conclusion. Once you type that script up, you click Visualize. You want to do the classic because this one is, that little icon shows that is if you're using the paid version. It's going to give us a little video on how to use it. I'm going to get rid of that. And you notice that the title page automatically comes up with an image that could fit for my program. And when I scroll down, this is probably not what I want because that's a monarch, not a monarch butterfly. So when I click on that, I can pick other images, or I can search, or I can upload. I could just use text. I can add a frame around it. So let's look up butterfly. Let's see if I have some other images. These ones are all in black and white, so I could always upload a picture that's in color. Notice how this blue writing has changed. That is matching with the icon. So if I want to get rid of that, I just click the minus. I can pick another word. So this would be migrates. You can pick whatever you'd like for any of these words. Up to 7 of the words on your page you can add. So there is a coin. Doesn't look like anything is working for my short sentence that I've chosen. But the great thing is there's so many different items that you can choose throughout your story and add it. And when you're finished, you're going to finalize it. The great thing is about this too is you can always go back and add to it. So once I finalize it, let's exit out of this. This is where we're going to record our voice. It gives you different options of different voices that you can hear.
Let me be the voice of your simple show clip and I will help you to bring your message across.
You can change the speed. You can add music here. Upload a custom music. All different choices of different music. You want to be sure, again, that you don't have your music louder than your voice. So let's go back to recording. You're going to want to record your own voice because students are going to want to hear you. They're going to listen to you much better than one of these automatic voices. So you'll click record your own voice, make sure you unblock your microphone, and whatever you have written on your script, you'll just read. And it chunks it up really nicely to allow you to just read those short sections. So if you don't like how it sounds, or you feel like you could have read with more inflection in your voice, you can redo just that section and not the whole thing. So this is a great way for you to show a video. Once you're finished, you're going to finalize the video. You want to make it public and SD, because those are the free versions. When we click OK, it's going to scroll through and publish it for you. Takes just a minute to think it through. And then when you're done, right there is the embed code for you to put on your Weebly. So many bells and whistles with this, so you can dig in deeper. That's just the basic rundown of how MySimple Show works. Enjoy.